once more. This is Susan signing in for today's session. Having worked in the industry and the academy for so many years, I have come across people who are very hardworking but fail to be recognized for their contribution on official records. Are they less productive than the others? Really not. But then how do we make this hard work more visible? Today's session is for all those of you out there who have the willingness to work or are working hard today, are contributing more and increasing productivity, which is visible to one and all in the organization. Let us understand the most powerful tips to increase our productivity. First and foremost, manage time. Indiscipline in meeting work, food, sleep, wake up timings, etc. affect the way we work, and hence time management is very important. Work and gossip in the organization are sides of the same coin. A favorite time pass for those many out there who spend time in a lot of unnecessary chats and casual meets we love to engage in otherwise needs to be slightly and consciously controlled. Office grapevines are attractive, but then decide where you want to be putting your time most into. Secondly, keep achievable goals and focused with a time plan to meet them. Actually, do you have a goal sheet in place? If not, make one. Mark your goal sheet in regular intervals. A simple Excel sheet of short-term and long-term goals being filled in consciously once a week or twice a month keeps us aware of the numbers and quantifiable achievements. Thirdly, upskill yourself with latest short-term certificates. You are aware of them, but love to postpone it. You know that somewhere stagnation is coming in your job profile. Hence, learning something new and implementing that in your ongoing work helps. No lethargy or postponement to develop new skills. Learn and adapt latest trends and practices of work, especially with respect to one's area of expertise. Fourthly, success depends on the team. Productivity boosts when one's team relations are congenial and supportive. Their goodwill matters. Work towards it if that is missing. Next, unlearn negative habits and thinking patterns. Avoid excessive indulgence in masturbation, drugs, alcohol, complex and multiple sex partners, smoking, binge eating junk food, binge watching porn, etc. Moderating this may not only help curb excess adrenaline surges, thus controlling one's untimely blood pressure, but it also helps in controlling your insomnia, anxiety, untimely headaches, etc. Next, see an opportunity in every challenge. Never be afraid of challenges in work, my dear friends. Face them upfront and take it up as a learning opportunity. Take them to elevate your performance skills. And the last one, do what you love mandatorily at least once a week. Take off time for those things which you love doing. Engage in those activities and people which keep you happy and relaxed. Hope you find these tips useful. Productivity is a process, so the outcome is realized after some time. But the change as a result of these steps that you will take today will be visible from day one. So start today. Wish you loads and loads of luck to give your productivity best to the organization that you are associated with. Like and share if you find the inputs useful. Subscribe if you want to be a part of more such topics on professional growth and development. This is Susan signing off. Adieu. See you in my next.